Hello, I'm Jerry Hogan. In this video, I'm continuing my discussion on direct costs. As stated before, cost truly is a four-letter word. If your business has too much of it relative to revenues, you won't be around very long. Your accountant will call direct costs costs of goods sold, or COGS. These are the costs directly associated with the production, warehousing, and perhaps distribution of your products or service. Since it's easier to visualize, my discussion will assume physical products. Still, the discussion is very applicable to intangibles like services, software, and the like. You'll likely face three cost situations. 1. Products are already in production with their costs largely designed in. This situation offers the least freedom to lower costs and requires the most effort for the return. It was the topic of my previous video. 2. Already defined products that are yet to be designed. This situation offers lots of freedom to lower costs, with a very favorable return on effort, and is the topic of the rest of this video. And finally, 3. Products not yet defined. Here lies the Holy Grail, with the ultimate cost freedom and long-reaching ramifications. So back to defined products that are yet to be designed. In my opinion, the best designers have spent time supporting production in factories. In Japan, it's common for new engineering graduates to spend 2 years in a factory before they're ever allowed to design anything new. Rockwell International used to do this when I worked there. Great designers achieve the definition of the product on time and within budget while designing with the parts and the processes from the target factory. This is true whether you're using a contract manufacturer or an in-house factory. By doing this, costs are minimized, ramp-up problems are almost eliminated, first production quality is very high, and time to market is greatly reduced. Operations should provide the designer with a list of preferred parts and processes prior to any design work. Preferred parts are those used in many other products with a low relative cost and several independent sources. They're often called commodity parts. Preferred processes are those processes operations has dialed in and are super comfortable with. Anytime I ran R&D or the entire company, any new part or process needed my approval prior to it being designed in. Sole source parts were taboo, and new processes needed to have very large payback. If your designers want to do whatever they wish, I'd suggest you consider changing them out. R&D needs to make itself an investment and not an expense. This is only accomplished by releasing products quickly and affordably. The simplest and best way to do this is to design with the preferred parts and processes of the target factory. It's easy for R&D to forget. The business exists to make money, not to spend it. I found the best designers think like business people. Please remember, if you need help decreasing your costs and increasing your revenues while simultaneously improving your employees' morale, get on my calendar for a free 15-minute exploratory call. The link is down below. Until next week, thanks for watching.